Hi, Shelley Craft here with a long list of things that you need to consider when you're choosing your flooring and tiling for your build project. It's not just about colour or feel. That can be the look at the end of the day and the only thing that you see, but so much goes into the choosing process. You need to decide whether you want natural stone, timber, composite, laminate, but you also need to think about the actual process. Are you having underfloor heating? What is the depth or the width of your tile? Do you want it to flow through the whole house, or will you have flooring height changes throughout the home? Are you carpeting in your bedrooms? All these things you need to consider when choosing your flooring choice, and a discussion you'll want to have very early on in your build. I think bathrooms are the place that you can have some real fun and show a lot of personality in your home, but consider how busy this small space could get. I know it'd be great to have different tiles on the floor and the walls and in your bathroom, but you've got to consider the overall space and also where the tiles are going to meet each other. So with your floor tile, you've got to consider where your wall tile is going to sit and how they're going to join. Are you having skirtings? What's going on? Other things to think about when choosing your tiles, not just the colour.